Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna showing you how to install Facebook app in Windows 11. It will both work for laptop and PC. For installing Facebook app, you will need a browser like Chrome or Microsoft Edge. I am using Google Chrome. Search Facebook space login in any browser. Then click first link appear here, www.facebook.com, login or sign up. You will see a login form. Log in by putting your email address and password, then click over login. After successfully logged in, you will see a download option on the top bar. Click over download. Here you are seeing that install app facebook.com. It is an official source. Now right click over taskbar, then click over pin to taskbar, then close the window. Here you are seeing that Facebook app successfully installed on the desktop and Facebook taskbar. Click over desktop icon Facebook. Now you are seeing that Facebook successfully installed into my desktop. If you want to switch your Facebook page or other profile, you have to right click over top bar, then you have to switch your page or other profile. Now you're seeing that I have successfully switched to my page. Similarly, you can switch any other profile or page as you want. You can edit also. For switching your main profile account, now you have to similarly click over profile, main profile. Now you're seeing that I have switched my page to main profile. If you want to change theme of the app, you can switch it light theme or dark theme from the top right corner. And if you want to log out, click over profile, then click log out. Now I'm gonna showing you second method from Microsoft Store. Click over search bar, then search here Microsoft Store. You will see Microsoft Store like this. You have to click over open. It is an official site of Microsoft to install all official software, Facebook, WhatsApp, ChatGPT, Instagram, all other app. It is like Google Play Store. Google Play Store is basically for Android and Microsoft Store is basically for laptop or PC. Search here Facebook, then click over Facebook app. Here you are seeing that Facebook source from Meta. It is an official Facebook app. You have to click over get. If you want to check a release date and other requirement, Facebook copyright, you can see. I am not interested it, so I am simply clicking get. Here you are seeing that it is installing. After install, you have to click open. Now you're seeing that I have successfully logged in into my Facebook another ID. If you not logged in, you have to log in with your email ID and password. I'm suggesting you the first step if you don't have any higher configuration laptop or PC. If you have higher configuration or a higher configuration laptop or PC, you can choose second step from Microsoft Store. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, never forget to like, comment and share.